All right, we can see here an instance of the FTC app, which is running in an emulator. This is exactly the same FTC app, except that in the background, instead of using USB to communicate with hardware devices such as the Rev Expansion Hub, it instead uses a WebSocket to communicate with our simulation platform, Weebots, to provide updates on the motor state and to get sensor data. Next, teams will go to the web interface, which is exactly the same as what they're used to, except that in addition to the standard blocks and on-bot Java programming option, there's additionally a simulation tab. When this is in production, this website would be all that teams would actually need to interact with. When we go to the simulation tab, we can connect to an instance of Weebots. Weebots will be running on the remote server, which means that teams will not need to have a strong computer. This means that this program would work including on any laptop with a internet connection, including Chromebooks, which have weaker processing power. Over here is a drop-down menu, which is dynamically updated to include all of the op modes on the robot controller. So we can choose this one and then run it. The init start stop sequence is the exact same as the regular FTC app, and we can see from this particular op mode that this is a full 3D sim and robots tipping over is fully possible, just like real life. We can go to blocks and create a new op mode on the fly. So I'm just going to make some modifications here, and we will have it drive down off the ramp. Drive forward, wait for 2 seconds. Sleep. We'll reconnect to Weebots. In the final version, we anticipate having a persistent Weebot, so you won't need to connect every time you make a change to your op mode. Then we can go to the drop-down menu and choose the op mode demo 2 that we just created. Initialize, start it. And that's all there is. So teams could do that and work to improve their existing robot controller or learn to program for the very first time with an easy-to-use platform that also is available to them anywhere. Thank you for watching.